なんだよ。Let's learn Japanese with me. Today's letter is
Say. The definition of say is life, birth, law.
Let's write kanji.
1、2、3、4、5。One more time. 1、2、3、4、5。
How to read this kanji?
Kanji has two different ways of reading, onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi is based on Chinese reading and kunyomi is Japanese original reading.
How to read this kanji?
Onyomi of this kanji is sei, show. Kunyomi is 生かす、生きる、生まれる、生、生える。Hiragana in brackets is okurigana and always written in hiragana. Then let's see some word examples that uses kanji. Onyomi example of this kanji is sensei. Sen means ahead. Sei means live. Sensei means teacher. Kunyomi example is 生きる. 生きる means to live. And this is used in a sentence like this. 楽しく生きる which means live happily. 新しい言葉生活 living 学生 student 生まれる to be born 生クリーム heavy cream。 今日の授業はここまでです。またね。
You did great today. またね。Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.